Hello, I'm Carlos Ray Ruiz, the Continuous Improvement Guy, and today I want to talk about a question that I get a lot, which is the difference between Lean and Six Sigma. And so, from my own experience and my own perspective, I can tell you that Lean is a philosophy or a methodology that comes from the Toyota production system. You can also say that it's very similar to the just in time philosophy that we heard a few years ago. And it's mainly focused on the idea of waste elimination. So, lean is about removing waste from the processes, from the operations, from every process that we have in the organization. And it uses the methodology known as PDCA, which remember stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act. So that's the main methodology used for lean practitioners. And the tools and the principles are many, but just to list a few, you have the 5S, which is a housekeeping methodology. You have something called Pokayoki, which is error proofing to improve quality. You also have visual value stream mapping, which is a tool to map your processes door to door and to see the flow of information and the flow of the materials. And then you have Six Sigma, which is a methodology mainly adopted by Motorola and later also by GE in the 90s. Its main focus is on improving quality through the reduction of variability, meaning delivering a consistent outcome to the customer. It uses the methodology DMAIC, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. And the type of tools and methodologies that Six Sigma uses are, for example, CTQs, critical to quality characteristics, statistical analysis, values, process mapping. And so mainly, both methodologies are concentrated on improving processes. Now, the question is, which one is better? Which one is the one that, as an organization or as a team, we should adopt? And I think that many people that I hear responding to that, if they come from the lean background, they say, well, lean is much better because it's a holistic approach. It's very simple. And so, yeah, we think lean is a much better methodology. Then people who come from Six Sigma, they also want to argue and say, well, Six Sigma, it's more clear in terms of the connection to the customer. It's more precise because it uses more data and more statistical analysis. So what is my opinion? Well, based on my own experience, I would say that the best methodology is Lean and Six Sigma. Because if you combine them, you're going to have a stronger way to tackle different challenges. So my encouragement for the people who are more knowledgeable about Lean is to learn more about Six Sigma, and vice versa, the people who know more about Six Sigma try to learn more about Lean. I think that if you combine both, you're going to have better results and you're going to be able to tackle different type of problems using the right tools and the right approach. I hope this was helpful and thank you for listening. I'm going to keep creating this type of videos to talk about continuous improvement and to clarify and expand on some of the questions and ideas that I hear from you. Thank you.